If you're a curious consumer who pays close attention to how foods and beverages are packaged or stored, you've probably heard about BPA. Did you know that BPA is primarily used to make polycarbonate plastic? A sturdy plastic sometimes used in clear, hard food storage containers, and it is also used to make epoxy resins. Epoxy resins have been widely used for more than 30 years to line food and beverage cans, protect food quality and nutrition, and extend shelf life. You should also know that the United States Food and Drug Administration says that BPA is safe at the very low levels that occur in some foods. So just how much BPA does a typical person take in through a normal diet? Meet John. His daily BPA intake is approximately 2.4 micrograms. Imagine that this very small mint represents BPA. If we break the mint into 87,500 pieces, only one of those pieces would equal John's daily intake of BPA. And each of those pieces would be smaller than the naked eye could see. This trace amount of BPA taken in through a normal daily diet is 1,000 times below the safe intake level established by government scientists. A consumer would have to ingest hundreds of pounds of food and beverages in contact with polycarbonate plastic or epoxy resins every day to exceed the safe limit. Through extensive studies on lab animals and some tests with human volunteers, we know a great deal about how our bodies process BPA. When BPA is ingested, it is absorbed through the intestinal wall. Most of the BPA that is taken in is converted in the intestine to a substance with no known biological activity. Any BPA that remains is then converted in the liver to the same inactive substance before entering the bloodstream. Within 24 hours, the inactive substance is eliminated from the body. Even when volunteers in clinical studies were exposed to much higher levels of BPA than typical, no BPA was detected in their bloodstream. So here's what we really do know about exposure to BPA from food and beverages. BPA is well tested, and we know from FDA scientists that the trace amounts we are exposed to from materials that keep our food safe are safe for us. To learn even more about BPA, go to factsaboutbpa.org.